What kind of bird is that?
Hornbill, ma'am. Hornbill.
Hornbill.
I'm gonna have to send a picture of that to my friend Lewis. I have a friend back in the States. He's about 6'3", black guy, real big guy, scared to death of snakes. So I'll
Oh,
send
you can see me. You can take picture of me.
No.
There you go.
Okay.
Okay, come here.
Oh my God, I wouldn't try that one. Oh
Dali,
my
ma'am.
God.
Taluha, ma'am.
Yeah.
Oh, he's gonna.
Dali, ma'am.
No way. I will freak out. Thank you. But actually, the body is so big. But look at the eyes. It's really not the same with the other snakes that their eyes are so like they're very sharp. That one looks friendly.
So, does it feel more like leather, or does it feel dry like leather, or to the touch?
You can touch. It's smooth and cold-blooded.
Okay, smooth and cool.
What about if you try to put that in your neck, like?
No, ma'am, because
No.
it's too much heavy. That
Yeah.
one only. But
So
the
it's so
small
heavy.
one, the Boa Constrictor, it's processing to coming to change skin. So we cannot mount him because it's lesser life. Pretty good sila mumaak. Doesn't bite, but it's less life.
Oh my God.
But this one, you know, it's always ready to.
See, that one you cannot touch that.
No, just only a caretaker to clean inside the cage.
Oh.
How long do you have it?
Long. 4 feet. 4.5 feet. It's very long than one.
So, I mean, how long has it been here?
Oh.
Okay. So,
It has been here like for how many years?
9 years.
Oh, just for that?
And it still has the wild.
Because from the very small here, it's like this, the tail.
Oh, yeah, he's touchy. That one was like, he loved being touched. That one does not like being touched.
That is so big. 9 years old snake?
Yes. Same ra na sila, ma'am. Kana og kini. Pero ang pinakagamay nila is kini. So, ni apas siya nila. Tanan. Paspas magud ang iyang pagkaon. So, every week siya magkaon. So, kani sila mga yellow is only 2 times in 1 month or 1 month, 1 time in 1 month.
Mukaon.
Kini siya kay every week man na siya ning kaon.
So, may ilang kaunon? The whole chicken?
Buhi nga manok Bisaya. So, it's a chicken native alive. So, this one only, this one also, Boa Constrictor. So, never can bigger. So, mauna ni siya ang pinakadako.
Actually, just the size. Tapos, that is the skin of the snake?
Yes.
Oh my God, look at that one. It's snake skin.
Napay crocodile dito, ma'am.
Oh, you have a crocodile at home?
Look at crow. Oh, hi. Hi.
Also, alaga. It's a Persian cat. Because we have a crocodile and a snake, so for safety of them inside the cage. Because when we can open the door, the snake, so basin mo sulod siya, so it's can eating.
Beer cat. Oh my God.
Bear cat there.
Can we touch it?
This is Persian cat, ma'am.
A Persian
Bear cat is there.
This one is a Persian cat.
Mini.
Yeah.
Crocodile.
Yeah.
Where are you?
Yeah. And we have the beer cat there. It's sleeping.
The closest I've ever got to one of those is I have a pair of crocodile skin boots. That's that's as close as I've got.
This is also crocodile and Philippine crocodile. So this one is
Oh my God, that's so huge.
aggressive than one. This is aggressive.
This one's aggressive.
Yeah.
Small one.
So we can feed chicken meat 2 times only in 1 week. So you can take picture.
Oh, it's there. Holy cow. And we got porcupine. and brahminicite. Oh, the porcupine is down there. I thought it was the bird that I was showing on the camera. So this one is the porcupine. Oh my god, it's moving. Say something about the trip here.
Interesting. Creepy, but interesting. I mean, huge snakes and a big crocodile. Yeah. Okay, I'm ready.